Hello, my dear students. Adarsh Question YouTube channel to Tomanu Sagar. Dear student, today we are going to study a science chapter, class 9. Sound. It is a short revision about your sound. Sound for what a short revision. First question is, what is sound? Sound con. You know it well. Sound is just like an energy. Sound is an energy, just like your heat energy, light energy. Sound is energy produced due to vibration. Vibration is sound produced हुए और sound का propagation by through any medium, maybe it air medium, liquid medium and solid medium. ताले sound can pass through three mediums, each and every medium. That means medium the sound travel करे and produced due to vibration. It is just an energy. Sound is an energy and produced due to vibration. Second question. By an activity, so that vibration produce sound. Vibration sound produce କରୁଛି. What energy produce କରୁଛି. What activity show କରିବ. Tuning for activity. Just this activity. Take a simple pendulum or just what a simple pendulum नहीं गले experiment ठीक से होगा नहीं. But because pendulum is heavier, the vibration of this tuning for the vibration will not displace this pendulum. Pendulum को displace कर पाएगा. ताले मेरे के pendulum yourself. तो मैं उठे pendulum तैयारी करो. How can? केमिति 1 meter of thread and a just a tennis ball, light tennis ball. Here it is given. Take a tuning fork and vibrating, striking rubber pad. What a rubber pad here? Out a tuning fork. This is bifurcated things made of metal. Is your tuning fork. This is your tuning fork. Tuning fork. ताले vibration create करिया पे tuning fork निया जाए ची. Then vibration. हाँ. Now suspended table tennis ball. Very light table tennis ball. Thread tie करो. Otherwise make a small hole by your needle ले small hole करके thread ता भीतर put करके तमे उठे pendulum type रो तैयारी करो. आउ fix कर दियो table रो end रे table रो edge रे तमे ताको गोटे nail दे नहीं की कंटा टाइप hammering करके तथरे tie कर दियो. Now vibrate the fork of the tuning fork of this is your tuning fork rubber pad पे empty strike करके we can produce the vibration. Now take this vibrating fork towards the ball, tennis ball. What you will see? The ball will displace. That means the vibration of the fork just touch the tuning fork with the ball. Ball सहित just touch करो. What you will see? You will see the tuning fork will the ball will displace. It is conclude that vibration or energy or vibration displace this tennis ball. That means vibration produce sound. Our sound energy ही displace करती tuning. Pendulum. Another experiment activity 10.2. Tuning fork vibration create करियो. Rubber pad strike करियो. Then you will touch the water. Take a glass tumbler and fill it to brim. Brim पर तो water को full करो. Then touch the end of the tuning fork end with this water. What you will see? The waves, small waves create in this water. In this way you will do the question number 2. Now propagation of sound produce continuous compression and reflection. This question is propagation of sound. This question propagation of sound केमिति continuously तमरो reflection and compression create करूची. When you just strike the end of the object, the Objects will vibrate with the mean position up down or to and fro motion रे vibrate करे. And at a time number of particles when start vibration they create a compression, and slowly they then will not displace but they pass the energy, and comparatively the nearest particles will vibrate again, and the first particles which started the vibration at first they will come to rest. ताले जो particles गुड़ा first vibration करी they will transfer the energy. That means suddenly some particles vibration means a compression will start. At this place, when particles transfer the energy, the nearest particles will vibrate, and compression become rarefaction. Then other particles when composite or gather, again a compression will create. Similarly, compression, rarefaction. You will see when the sound energy travels through this medium, but particles will not travel. But in case of gas medium, gases, very low attraction force between gases particles, they will transfer sound with the particle. Particles सहित transfer हो sound. But solid, the particle will not move. Particles only mean position ने vibrate करिवे, to and fro motion, up and down motion. Now, question number 4. Sound waves are longitudinal. Explain it. Two types of wave. Two types of wave motion पढ़ाई two types. Longitudinal wave and transversal wave. Here it is given also. Book is transversal or longitudinal. Transverse wave and longitudinal. But we have to explain sound waves are longitudinal wave. Explain it. Sound wave. When sound means vibration, tracking and vibration. Vibration, continuous compression and rarefaction. It is your wave. But in case of sound wave, waves in these waves, individual particles of the medium move in the direction parallel to direction of the propagation. Parallel direction with the propagation. Sound travel out parallel to propagation, particle movement and sound drop movement parallel. That means wave in these sound wave. That means sound wave individual particles of the medium and direction. Individual particular movement and the direction of the sound parallel to each other. That's why sound wave is, sound travels due to longitudinal wave. Sound waves are longitudinal. Now, question number 5. Explain characteristics of sound. Sound or characteristics. There are 3 characteristics. What are these? Frequency. Second, amplitude. Third one is your speed of sound. Last one is your measurement of the wave distance, lambda. Wave distance, lambda. Only write the definition: frequency, amplitude, speed and wavelength. These are characteristics of sound wave. I am just definition explain. Now the number of oscillations per unit time is called your frequency. number of oscillation. Oscillated motion, oscillation, you will know it very well. That will be number of oscillation. Complete one wave. Starting from this O, one complete oscillation is up to your A position. One peak and one trough. It is your number of oscillation means complete wave per unit time means within 1 second. Is your called frequency. Next, amplitude, the height of peak or depth of trough is called your amplitude. Now, wavelength, distance between two consecutive peak is called wavelength lambda. Is called wavelength lambda, distance between. Now, speed of your, now third one, frequency, amplitude is over. Now your speed of sound wave defined as the distance which point of wave such as compression and rarefaction per unit time. What a निर्दिष्ट time number of compression and rarefaction wave. Compression and rarefaction travels per unit time. That means speed of sound equal to distance by time. V equal to this distance is your lambda by time is T. In this way, question number 5 also finished. Now some numerical problems. Now example 12.1, numerical problem. Question is given, a sound wave has a frequency of 2 kilohertz. That means frequency, that means frequency is given. Frequency is your 2 kHz, 2 kilohertz, hertz, Hz, but K stands for kilo. 2 kilohertz. Hertz रे explain कले 2000 Hz. Hertz. Second things, wavelength equal to 35 cm. मीटर रे कन्वर्ट कले 35 by 100 0.35 meter. 0.35. Now find out करिवार अछि हमको how long it will it take to travel 1.5 kilometer travel करिया पे time period मागिछि. Time period ताले first frequency means V equal to your 2000 Hz. It is your wavelength lambda. Lambda equal to 0.35 meter. Lambda and V, two things are given. Now we have to find out frequency, velocity find out करिवार अछि. ताले velocity v equal to 2000 divided by 0.35 equal to 2000 35 by 100 means 2000 divided by 0.35. Very simple, extremely simple. Actually we are going to find out velocity. Speed means formula wavelength into frequency. Wavelength and frequency. Wavelength 0.35, frequency 2000. New the speed Now speed will lambda 0.35 into v 2000, 35 by 100 into 2000, 100, 35 7 da 70, 35 to da 70, 0. That means speed equal to 700 meter by second. Now the question is given, how long it will take to travel 1.5 kilometer. That means the distance 1.5 kilometer. Meter express kale 1.5 into 1000. Answer will be 1500 meter. Sorry, 1.5 kilometer, 1500 meter. That means the sound will travel the distance 1500 meter. The time taken, t equal to distance travel by velocity. Distance is your 1500 meter divided by here, divided by velocity 700 meter by second. 700 meter by second. Second answer আসবে double 0. 700 is 1500. 15 by 7. 2.7 to the 15 by 7. 7 to the 14. 40 point. তাহলে 7 1 da 2.1 ज़्यादा है second. It was the example 12.1 numerical problem. Another numerical problem for you. Here is another numerical problem for you. Calculate the wavelength lambda find out for you. Sound wave frequency दाना दे दीजिए. Frequency f equal to 220 hertz. Speed दे दीजिए. It is pretty easy for you. Speed दे दीजिए. ताले speed फॉर्मूला या पूर्व दशा में स्पीड रा फॉर्मूला पुट करते हैं न्यू लैम्बडा इनटू v. ताले कैलकुलेट करो वेवलेंथ लैम्बडा फाइंड आउट करो. Another numerical problems just in text question ने तमर अछि तमे से बड़ा देखिबो sure. Then next question. Here some other questions for you. Question number 7. By an activity define sound reflects just like light. Light or reflection आने जमते देखते sound भी reflect हुए. Rebounds. This experiment conclude. This experiment from your book. Conclude. Two identical pipes just draw a line. It is your wall. Identical pipe. Your PVC pipe. Identical pipes. A clock. Now first draw a perpendicular line to this wall. Take a table upre wall को touch करी table. Just touch the table to wall and mark a point on this wall and draw a line, perpendicular line is your normal, and these identical pipes make the angle with this normal equal, just like your laws of reflectional law. Incident ray and reflected ray are same. In this way, the pipe number 1 left side pipe is your incident and the right side pipe is your reflect. Then middle line, the perpendicular line is normal, make both angles are same. Now put the clock. Unreflected, incident side. Incident जहाँ तुम कौच अदरवाइज जो एनी साइड रे रखी पार, एनी साइड. Put the clock and put your ear near the second pipe. You will hear the sound. The sound goes through this pipe one and reflect on the wall, return back. You will hear the sound. From this experiment we conclude that sound reflect just like a light waves. Next question. Describe multiple reflection of sound. 3 uses. Here uses of multiplication reflection. Book रे just अच्छी तमर multiple reflection of sound. First one is given megaphone, loudspeaker, horn. These are musical instruments. Trumpet also, shanai, and just are designed to send sound to particular direction. एमिटे डिजाइन कर just like your आमे जाको कहानी सदृश कहते just like your this cone style to produce sound one single directional sound produce करे. Similarly, another things uses number 2 stethoscope. Doctor use करते stethoscope to measure the heartbeat or pulse rate. Heartbeat को measure करिया पाई stethoscope. ताले sound केमिति stethoscope is a medical instrument used to listening the sound produced with the body, mainly in the heart or lungs. Stethoscope is the sound of the patient heartbeat reaches the doctor's ear. ताले a thin membrane लगी था जो stethoscope रो जो एंड को आम चेस्ट को टच करते डॉक्टर. Similarly, another uses multiple reflection of sound. Multiple reflection. Generally, ceiling of concentrated halls or conference hall, auditorium, ये सब hall उड़ा करें. Cinema hall also are curved to sound after reflection and reach to the audience. Audience पाखे reach कर दिया पाए ताकू just curve style कर दिया जाए. Next question. In this way, you will define the sky also. Multiple reflection of a sound. 3 uses. Now, define range of hearing. Range of hearing. A range of hearing audible 20 hertz to 2 kilohertz means 2000. This range of hearing for a human beings. Human being 20 hertz to 2 kilohertz or 2000 hertz. But it will differ. They निश्चित differ करिवो age अनुसार. Here it is given something given about this audible and children under the age of 5 years through below under age 5 and some animals such as the dogs hear up to 25 kilohertz. 25 kilohertz means the range 2 kilohertz रू बहुत ज़्यादा 1 kilohertz equal to, you know it well, 1000 hertz Hz. Similarly, some frequency below 20 hertz are called infrasound. Here is a question. Ultrasound, what are ultrasound and infrasound? Ultrasound, what is equal? What are ultrasound and infrasound? Infrasonic ultrasound. Ultrasound more than 2 kilohertz and less than the audible range. Define a range of hearing 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. 20 kilohertz the audible range. 20 hertz called infrasound. Infrasound below 20 hertz. Ultrasound than 20 horse, more than 20 kilohertz, more than 20 kilohertz means 20,000 horse. Ultrasound means high frequency sound. Ultrasound. Rhinoceros communicate with infrasound of a frequency less than 5 hertz. ताले rhinoceros इतना so big animal, but making the infrasound less than 5 hertz. 5 hertz से भी कम. Elephant produce sound of the infrasound range. It is observed that some animals get disturbed before earthquake because they have a sensation to hear infrasound less than 20 hertz or sound. Just frog, fish, snakes, fishes and snakes, frogs also. Here the infrasound before the earthquake, the small or very low shaking they will observe. That's why their disturbance. ଆଉ ସେ ଡିଷ୍ଟର୍ବାନ୍ସକୁ ଅବଜର୍ଭ କରିକି ହ୍ୟୁମାନ୍ ମାନେ ଆର୍ଥକ୍ୱାକ୍ର ପୂର୍ବାନୁମାନ କରନ୍ତି। ନାଉ ଅଲ୍ଟ୍ରାସାଉଣ୍ଡ ଆଉ ଇନଫ୍ରାସାଉଣ୍ଡ ଅଲସୋ କଭର ହେଇଗଲା। Explain 4 applications of ultrasound. Some applications here are given. Ultrasound application. First application, ultrasound generally used to clean particles located in hard to reach place, जो place को जिबा narrow pipes just like and electrical equipments, spiral tubes and odd shaped parts, electronic components, objects is cleaned are placed in a cleaning solution with ultrasound or ultra waves. This ultra waves cleaning solution को ultra wave vibrate करेगा और grease some sticky substance will detach easily. Next, ultrasound can use to detect cracks and flow metal block, metallic components generally used in construction of big structures. Big structure, if there is a crack, then ultrasound will detect this crack. Third one is ultrasound wave are made reflect from various parts of the heart and from the image of the heart. Just your ultrasound, stomach and heart inside रे किसी clumsy अच्छी detect करिवे. Next, ultrasound scanner and instrument use ultrasound waves for getting image of internal organs of human body. A doctor may image the patient's organs such as liver, gallbladder, uterus, kidney in this way. Ultrasound may be employed to break small stones forming the kidney. Kidney रे small stone also indicate करे ultrasound करिकी हमें indicate करे. In this way, all of your NCERT book revision is over. There are 12 questions, are very important questions for your exam. So I will say it must help you, but cleanly you will study from your book. My explanation will help you. Next, I will take class को पुणी आउ किसी revisions and annual exam by preparation रे आउ गोटे वीडियो रे पुणी तुम मान सहित शेयर करी सेतबेले जाय विदाय। जय जगन्नाथ।